Duke with a dishwasher repair. This is the Sears Kenmore under-counter dishwasher that we've owned for a number of years. There's the model number. Well, recently we discovered a leak coming down into our laundry room underneath the kitchen. So on inspection, I thought that I may have found the area of the leak. I was pretty certain that looking over the different parts of the washing machine, I was sure that this is where the leak was coming from. Looking underneath the dishwasher, this seal is replaceable, and I got it from appliancepartspro.com for about $20 some plus shipping. So the part came in and I replaced it, which took a little bit of effort. I put the unit back together, slipped it back under the counter, turned the water on, and I still had the leak. Now here's the interesting thing. Where the leak was coming from, I thought was maybe in this area, but it turned out to be more back in this area under the heating element. And if you're able to pick it up, you'll see a fine hairline crack right there. And apparently something laid on the heating element here. Could have been something metallic, maybe a little plastic tie that has wire in it was in with one of the dishes, but it laid down on there and created an arc and knocked out a piece of plastic. This crack here, it's only about 1/4 inch long and it's hairline. So now the process will be to fill that with some kind of an epoxy. Here are my tools for the repair. This is Permatex weatherproof plastic welder. I have a little wooden spatula, blue painter's tape, sandpaper, and a paper plate to mix it on. Now I called up Permatex and I spoke to a technician there and told him what I was going to use it for, and he said it's waterproof, and the only problem that I might see over the years is the caustic material in soap and food and other materials will slowly eat at the epoxy, but it'll take a very long time for that to happen. Maybe maybe the repair will outlive me. So let's give this a try. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sandpaper and I'm going to score this area up, clean it up pretty good. I'm not going to film this. It's a little difficult to do. Now after sanding that up, boy, you can really see the damage that was done by that arc. It's a little larger than I thought it was. So let's get to work on filling that up. Here I took my painter's tape and I marked off everything that I didn't want to get any of the epoxy splashed on anything that would be harmful, especially the heating element. So that's pretty well protected now. And that epoxy's only going to go in one area. Let's see how we do now mixing this up. It's the first time I ever used this product. was loaned to me by an auto mechanic who said this might be the thing that for you. So, hope he's right. Oh man, it's got a powerful smell. Okay, there we have it. It's got quite an odor to it. Let's get in here and see how we do. Being the first time doing this, it probably isn't smart to do it and film at the same time, but I'd really like to share this with people because I was quite surprised I was going through this. Alright, I'm going to turn off so I can do a nice smooth job here. Alright, so I've got it smoothed out there pretty good. I think it's a wise decision to put the tape down because it's almost like painting. You can run it right off the edge. You don't have to worry about going too far with it. So I'm going to pull this tape off and we'll take a look at it. Alright, so we have the tape off. And I'm going to let it cure now. It was recommended by the manufacturer to let it cure for 24 hours. So tomorrow this time, we'll fill it with water and give it a try and hope for the best. This is Daddy Dukes signing off. Well, there's the patch, 24 hours hardened. I ran water through the washing machine and no leak. So this project was a success. I hope this video was helpful if you needed it, which I hope you didn't. But for now, this is Daddy Duke saying have a nice day.